In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most incredible features of the Meraki MX, and that is Auto VPN. What makes this feature incredible is it allows you to set up a site-to-site VPN in about 1 minute. And this is something that takes most IT administrators between 30 and 60 minutes to do, and it would take them even longer to troubleshoot. So to show you what we would do to set that up, we would first want to double check that our addressing and VLAN section is properly configured. So if we go to this page, it shows me all of the different VLANs that I have configured for this MX, which is great. So I have my VLANs configured, and now I'm going to jump over to actually setting up this site-to-site VPN connection. Now here I am going to, for example, set up a site-to-site VPN between my London location and my San Francisco location. So first I'll go to my London MX and I'll set that up as a hub. And you can see the subnets populate automatically from the VLAN settings that I had set up. Now I'll choose particular subnets that I want to be a part of this VPN tunnel or not, and that's it. I've just configured my hub in London. Now I would go to my San Francisco MX and I would initially see this as set to off. I would set it as a spoke and I would select add a hub. And from there I can pick my London appliance and I would select the subnets that I would like to be a part of this VPN tunnel. And that's it. I've just set up a site-to-site VPN connection, something that takes most IT administrators between 30 and 60 minutes to do. So that's great. But what if I now want to monitor the performance of this particular VPN tunnel? I would simply go to the Monitor VPN status page here in the Meraki dashboard. And I've just seamlessly transitioned over a really nice intuitive dashboard that shows you the different VPN connections in my network. So on the top right, I can see the thicker the bands here, the more traffic is flowing between particular locations for a VPN tunnel. So for example, my Meraki San Francisco security and my Meraki San Francisco data center are sharing quite a bit of traffic. Now, if I wanted to dive in and see more details, I can click on a particular VPN tunnel. So here I'm looking at the San Francisco to Sydney VPN connection, and this is showing me 4 different connections. And that's because I have 2 uplinks configured at each site, 2 broadband connections in Sydney and 2 broadband connections in San Francisco. And for each of those 4 tunnels that I've now created, I can see latency, jitter, loss, and MOS score, as well as comparison to a custom performance class that I've set up to see how I'm performing. So this is really great. Here we saw how the Meraki MX security appliance allows you to set a site-to-site VPN in a minute, and then provides you the ability to seamlessly move over to the monitoring portion of it and see how everything is working.